For 11 years, she has been an outstanding journalist and then an award winning author. Hi, Deepa ma'am, how are you?
I'm fine. Thank you for introducing me so generously. I don't know if I deserve it. But
Oh,
yeah.
you deserve this. Of course, you have covered so many issues. So, I want to understand that how did your journalism background actually help you in writing books?
So it was both helpful and also an obstacle. In many ways, what was helpful was that I had that training. I knew how to go out and interview people. I was very comfortable doing that. I've been very comfortable with research. So for The Last of Earth, which is my second novel, being published on January 23rd, it is it's a historical novel set in Tibet. So I had to I had quite a lot of research material before I sat down to write, and I had to decide what to pick out from that and how to write a story that would have narrative suspense and would be true to my characters and wouldn't be too heavy with information. So I think that was helpful. That came from having trained as a journalist.
So, now you have reported on a lot of social issues. I'm sure you have seen things, that you couldn't write about at that point of time. So, have you tried putting those in your novel somewhere where, a lot of times as a journalist, you can't report everything, you can't tell, though we want to tell the truth, but there are certain points that we are unable to. Have you shared it in your novels? I mean, do you think that you can write it in a novel would be easier?
I don't know if it's easier, but definitely a lot of things that I saw as a journalist, it is there in my books. Gin Patrol on the Purple Line, which is my first novel, it's set in an impoverished settlement, in a North Indian city. And what you see is that, it's a story about children going missing, told from the point of view of a child. So that novel in particular was based on the children that I had interviewed when I worked as a journalist.
Sending it with the last question. If I had to pick one book from KLF today, which should be that one book that I should go and read? I mean, I should sit along the beach and read the book.
Okay. So I'm not going to mention my own novel out of modesty, but I haven't read Jeet Ayal's Elsewherians, and I'm looking forward to reading that. And I know he had a session today, so I would recommend that.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.